लोगों को लगता है बुलेट ट्रेन क्या है, ट्रेन ही है, विल गो लिटिल बिट फास्टर, तो क्या बड़ी बात है। व्हाट अ बुलेट ट्रेन डज इज it reduces the distance so much that somebody living 150 kilometers away from Mumbai can come into Bandra Kurla complex in 20 minutes. I was also in Japan when the first metro came. Atal ji की सरकार थी. At that time also people said metro की क्या जरूरत है. अब आप सब मुंबई वाले हैं, अब मुझे बताइए मेट्रो की जरूरत है या नहीं. You know, I give you one example which directly impacts this city, and in fact which Piyush Goyal ji and I worked on. Some years ago we decided that we will actually work with Japan on bullet train. Okay? Now, I have to tell you really how much of a, how much change a bullet train project can bring. लोगों को लगता है बुलेट ट्रेन क्या है, ट्रेन ही है, विल गो लिटिल बिट फास्टर, तो क्या बड़ी बात है. एक्चुअली व्हाट अ बुलेट ट्रेन डज इज इट reduces the distance so much that somebody living 150 kilometers away from Mumbai can come into Bandra Kurla complex in 20 minutes. आप इसका अब रियल एस्टेट सोचिए, हाउसिंग सोचिए, decongestion सोचिए. See how urbanization will spread. So now when we started this project, there was a debate. People said क्यों कर रहे हैं, we are happy without it. Now interestingly, I was also in Japan when the first metro came. Atal ji की सरकार थी. At that time also people said metro की क्या जरूरत है. अब आप सब मुंबई वाले हैं, अब मुझे बताइए मेट्रो की जरूरत है या नहीं. अगर उस समय अटल जी की सरकार वो निर्णय नहीं लेती, I mean, can you imagine the clogging in our streets today in big cities? So I mention bullet train because it's not some, for us on our own to start and say, भाई आज हम बुलेट ट्रेन बनाएंगे, चलिए देखते हैं क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है. It will take us a long time. If you collaborate with someone, it will move very much faster. But if you are smart, आप collaborate भी करोगे, absorb भी करोगे, innovate भी करोगे, and in due course, which I am convinced will happen. Because again, one of the big changes, which again many of you would have experienced, is how Vande Bharat train has come about. I mean, see the difference it is. So, for us today, resources, technology, best practices, these are many of the opportunities that the world offers.